Welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. A young warrior named Salah fought a tiger with just a dagger. But what if I tell you that this brave act led to the rise of one of India's greatest dynasties? Stay with me as we unravel the incredible story of the Hoysalas. A long time ago, in the deep green forests of Malenadu lived a young warrior named Salah. He was a strong, fearless and trained in the art of fighting. But what made him special was his courage. He never backed down from a challenge. One day, Salah was at a peaceful temple, praying with his guru. The temple was surrounded by tall trees and the air was calm. But suddenly, from the shadows of the forest, a furious tiger leaped forward. The tiger's eyes was glowing and its roar shook the ground. The people around screamed and ran in fear. But the guru stayed calm. He turned to Salah and shouted, "Hoy Salah." Hoy means strike. Salah is a boy's name. Without thinking twice, Salah pulled out his dagger and jumped straight at the tiger. With one powerful move, he struck the beast right in the heart. The jungle fell silent. The people who had just been scared a few moments ago now watched in shock and amazement. This wasn't just a fight. It was a sight of destiny. And from this moment, a great kingdom was born. The Hoysala dynasty got its name from this brave act, and Salah became a legend. After Salah, his family became powerful rulers. But they had a big problem. The Chalukyas, a strong empire that ruled most of the South India. The Hoysalas had to fight hard to prove themselves. Then came King Vishnuvardhana, a warrior like no other. He fought a great battle against the Chalukyas at Talakadu and won. This was a huge victory. And now the Hoysalas were no longer just warriors. They were kings. But the Hoysalas didn't just fight wars. They also built amazing temples, supported artists and encouraced new ideas. King Vishnuvardhana was first of the follower of Jainism. But after meeting the wise saint Ramanujacharya, he became a Vishnavite, a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Because of this, he built many beautiful temples for Lord Vishnu. But he still respected Jainism. The Hoysalas were special because they supported all religions and cultures. Many years later, Veera Ballala II took the throne. Under his rule, the Hoysalas became one of the richest and strongest kingdoms in South India. Trade flourished, cities became grand, and art reached new heights. But the biggest treasure left behind by the Hoysalas was not gold or jewels. It was their incredible temples. If you ever visit Karnataka, you'll see some of the most beautiful temples in the world. The Chennakeshwara temple in Belur, the Hoysaleshwara temple in Halebeedu, and the Keshava temple in Somanathapura are not just buildings. They are stories carved in stone. The walls of these temples are covered with tiny detailed sculptures. You can see gods, goddesses, dancers, warriors and even scenes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. It's like a storybook made of stone. But just like in every great story, there came a dark time. In the 14th century, a powerful empire from the north, the Delhi Sultan, attacked the Hoysalas. The last great king Veera Ballala III fought bravely to save his kingdom. But after many battles, he was captured and killed. With him, the Hoysala Empire came to an end. But was their story really over? Not at all. Even today, the Hoysalas are remembered for their courage, art and wisdom. Their temples still stand, telling their story to everyone who visits. The famous Vijayanagar Empire, which came later, was inspired by the Hoysalas and continued many of their traditions. So, the next time you see a beautiful carving on the temple wall, remember, this is the legacy of a young warrior named Salah, who once fought a tiger with just a dagger. And who knows, maybe we too have the heart of a Hoysala warrior within us. Hoysala, a call to be brave, strong and fearless. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Page Pulse Bite for more amazing history stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Signing off, Page Pulse Bite. See you next time.